let's look at Josh's high arch foot here. You can see, as I said earlier, there's this rotation happening at the fifth metatarsal. So if you have a look at your own foot, you'll see that little bump on the side. What we're going to do is do some little work to release first and then work on strength. Remember, you don't just release and then let people go. End up destabilizing the joint. We need to always work on release, then strength and control. So Josh, I'm going to get you to lift your foot up and we're going to put the smallest bit from the Makarlu under his little toe. How's that feel? And I'm going to get him to lift his foot up and I'm going to put this medially, okay? So the idea here is I'm wanting him to work on releasing the base of the fifth toe, supporting him here. You can't see his face and it's probably good. It's not pleasant. Now, you can also see I'm getting him to drop the base of the calcaneus down here. It allows him to stretch out through this area here of the foot and lengthen along these lateral arches. Yeah, good, Josh. How's that feel? Yeah. If you want, just to make it more special, can you bend the knee just a little? Is that okay? And then straighten it. What's nice though, Josh, is can you feel how that part of your foot has really been able to drop down? At the beginning, that wasn't even anywhere near. Okay? Good. So I would get him to do that for about 10 to 20 seconds, and then I'm going to take this out. Just stand there. Yeah, good. How's that feel? Yeah. And what you'll find is with somebody when they have this high arch foot, because the iliotibial band muscles have become so, the iliotibial band and the TFL, so the tensor fasciae latae, I love saying that, always feel like a coffee is on the way. So TFL is too tight, that the pelvis is tilted forward. It makes it much harder for them to activate their glute muscles to stabilize the pelvis. And that becomes really important when you're doing single leg balance work or just walking.